Sound is on, camera on, and let's get into this. Nettles are a wonderful herb and so abundant at this time of the year. We are in early May and it's a great time to harvest some nettles, and I've been doing that over the last few days, make myself nice infusions. And in this warm weather we're having in Ireland at the moment, drank cold is just a beautiful early summer drink. If you can call it summer, yeah, let's call it summer. Nettle has been used for thousands of years traditionally, and that's the basis on which we use it. That's the evidence. It's another form of evidence, knowledge being passed on from generation to generation. When I was 9 years old at home on the farm, I fell into a hole full of nettles, rescued by a neighbour and my father. Maybe that was the start of my herbal journey, I don't know. But nettles obviously are known for the sting. Traditionally, they've seen to be a stimulating herb, stinging us into life. Sometimes we need that sting to get us moving. Get moving, not just get moving physically, but also it moves liquid. It's a diuretic, helps to move liquid in the body, and that helps to lower blood pressure. It's a source of chlorophyll, so it brings strength into the blood, and it's good for anyone suffering from anemia. It's also an antihistamine, so anyone suffering from allergies or hay fever or asthma, it's a powerful herb in those cases. It's a great source of vitamin C, so it helps to boost the immune system. Nettle soup is famous. Nettle pesto, I have a video on my channel. I'll leave a link in the box there above, and I hope you check that out. You gotta love nettles. Hope you get out there, harvest some nettles, and let me know in the comments. Did you harvest some nettles? Did you make some tea? Did you make a soup? Let me know what you think there. And follow me over on Instagram. You'll see some latest pictures I put over there in Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Take care. Bye. Don't forget to check out the PDF I will leave in the description box below over on my website, and also check out the video that I did on 10 natural ways to cure depression. That video supports a lot of these videos where I'm talking about individual herbs. Nettle is a nutritious herb, and a herb for anyone suffering from depression. It's going to give you some good nutrition and nice self-care routine. Talk to you soon.